go all the way to Atlanta and pick up my front exterior door and my back exterior doors. Unfortunately, I waited a little bit too late to get it ordered. Gas is like $3.50 a gallon. I'm like, what in the freaking world is going on here? "12 inches on that side, 12 inches on that side." Top of the morning to you folks. Welcome back to Nikos Property Show. Today I have to literally get a trailer, go all the way to Atlanta and pick up my front exterior door and my back exterior door. So the front door that you're going to be walking into, and then the back door that's going to be for the covered porch. I need a 5080 door, which means 5 foot in width, 8 feet tall for the front door, and I need a 6080 for the back porch door, which is 6 foot in width and 8 foot in height. And I'm excited because now I can finally get those installed. And unfortunately, I waited a little bit too late to get it ordered when I was getting all my interior doors in. That's something you want to order ahead of time, especially right now. I was told that right now, if I want to get a custom door built, it'll take about 12 to 14 weeks, which is crazy. That's outrageous. But the supply chain has absolutely sucked here recently. But it's okay because I found some in Atlanta. My sister actually did. So I'm excited for that. And it actually was a style that I didn't even know I wanted. I'm going to Atlanta. My dad's going to help me actually connect the trailer real quick. And then I'm going to get on the road. I've got about a 2-hour drive. I'm gonna go over there, pick everything up, and I'm just gonna enjoy the day for what it is. And unfortunately, I do have to make this drive 2 hours, but hey, I've got some doors. I don't have to wait 12 weeks, and that's probably the worst thing ever. But it's super cold out here, so let's get this trailer loaded, and I'm gonna get on the road. Got Pops helping me out this morning. Hook the trailer up. We ready? Alright. He said davai. That means go in Ukrainian. Jump in the truck, back it up a little bit. You gotta move fast too. Let's see. Rear view cameras. Clutch. Oh, a little bit more. Yeah, we're good. Alrighty, y'all, I have jumped on the road. Trailer's all hooked up. We've got everything great. You know why I love the Chevy Trail Boss is because it actually has a trailer package and you can tow with the Trail Boss. And because I'm not towing nothing too heavy, I'm just getting 2 doors. And you'll see it once I get to Atlanta and get it picked up. It's not a big deal. It's not too heavy. The truck can handle it. You know, trying to tow heavy bobcats and machinery and stuff like that, definitely don't want to try doing that with a Chevy Trail Boss. It's a 1500 Silverado, essentially, so with a cool little package. But anyways, I'm excited, about to go grab these doors, and in the next, few days, we'll be able to get those installed. So the front door is going to be on in the house, the back door is going to be on in the house, and then those windows are going to come in eventually, and this house is going to come together, and it's going to be nice and sealed. So I'm excited for the process of what we got going on right now. Got my truck telling me to check the trailer, make sure everything's good. We are good to go, and I'll see you on the road. Alrighty, so I've been driving for about an hour and 15 minutes. I'm almost there, almost to the place. I had to stop and get some gas. I didn't realize how expensive gas was outside of Chattanooga. Literally, gas is like $3.50 a gallon. I'm like, what in the freaking world is going on here? So literally spending all my money on gas. Not sure if I'll have enough to buy the doors. No, I'm just joking. But I'll be there shortly, about 45, 50 more minutes, and we'll be picking those doors up, which I'm excited to see in person. I've only seen them online and in a picture. So let's see what happens. I'm excited for it, and you'll be following along the journey with me. So let's get there. Oh yeah, I'm super happy with how this turned out. Got my 2 doors, paid $4,100 for both of them, so pretty darn good deal. So I got my back porch door right there. This is gonna be my front door. Gonna be really beautiful once I get them all nice and painted and everything. Still deciding if I should stain this one or paint this one, but we'll see what happens. But I'm gonna jump back in the truck and I'll see you back in Chattanooga. Alrighty, y'all, just pulled out, 2-hour drive to Chattanooga. I hate towing stuff, I hate driving with trailers, but needed these doors, so came out here to Atlanta, grabbed those. 4,100 bucks, not too bad for 2 doors. I'm excited to finally be able to get these installed, and now I'll be able to get those windows installed once they come in, and everything's just gonna be great. So I'm gonna put this GPS in, and I will see y'all back at home once I get there. So thank you for watching this far. Alrighty, y'all, made it back to my house. I'm gonna get these doors unstrapped, get them in the house because we're gonna get them set soon, and I'm excited to finally be able to have that done, and I can't wait to finally get these windows in. So let me unstrap everything going on here, and we are going to progress, and we are, ooh, yeah, this is gonna look really, really good. I can't wait. I just envisioned that door right there. Let me show you real quick. Check this out. That door right there. Yep, that's gonna be beautiful. So yeah, let me get to work real quick because that just got me really excited. Top of the morning to you folks. So my trim carpenter is here. He's gonna be setting my doors. I'm excited because we're finally getting this thing kind of moving in the right direction. I did go get those doors from Atlanta. Now he's here and I'm gonna get the whole process of how he's putting these doors on. My front door and my back door, the exteriors. It's gonna be beautiful. They're tall, big doors. It's gonna look really, really nice. There's a lot of noise going on back there. So let me go capture some of this work. Alright y'all, so we're getting started installing these doors. While he's getting started, I'm here filming the process, and he measured the rough openings, and the back door actually was a little bit too small, so he had to pull one of the 2x4s off and strip it down to make it a 1x, and now it's all good. That rough opening is good. He's starting there in the back of the house actually. I'm gonna get some of the process of how he's doing this and just show you what goes along with it and how it's installed, you know, what flashing you need to be using, things like that, and just making sure that the door is waterproof and so that water will never be able to get in there as much as you can control that. So let me get straight to the process, and I hope y'all enjoy this. So you see right here, he's adding a metal flashing so that there's water that could never get through. And if it does, it's going to be about as small amount as possible. So he's going to run that flashing all the way around. I to až kruhom bude, tak? Až kruhom?
No.
Tiko vnizu.
Only 1 feet.
Okay, so we're going 1 foot up right there, 12 inches on that side, 12 inches on that side, and then the bottom. So if there's ever rain coming in on this porch area, it's not just going to roll in, and it's going to help this area right here stay dry. And that's the main focus of why you're putting this metal flashing right here. So just to show you a little bit up close right here, there's actually glue underneath this flashing so that it doesn't sit there and flap around, because if you just put the flashing down, it's going to want to move a little bit. So he's putting glue under it, then he's going to put glue on top of it, so when he puts that door jamb right there, you can't really see it from here, but it's going to be as stable as possible. Alright y'all, so he was going to take the doors apart and everything like that, but this one actually has some complex little areas for the hinges, and he doesn't want to bend them because then that could be bad for the rest of the time that I live in this house. So me and him, which these doors are heavy, they're mahogany, as I told y'all previously when I went and picked them up, we're going to actually pick this up, try to move it. It's pretty heavy, but we're going to get it set in, and you're going to watch the process of that, and I'm about to go hopefully not hurt myself. Alrighty, also the front door is all set. He's got it leveled out on each side, the sides, the front, and the bottom. Everything looks really good. I'm actually just going to show it right here because the door came out really well. Check that out, y'all. Look how beautiful that is. And we're going to have this painted black, and it's level on every single side. And it's all protected, so I'm really happy with how it turned out. You did a great job, sir. We appreciate you.
You're very welcome, but we will make trim a little bit this wider, and this smaller. It's top will have even.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna get trim around it. It's gonna be real nice, and it's gonna be from here to here. It's gonna be the same. Oh, okay. So from the window to the top, and from the top of the door, that trim's gonna be the same level. So that's gonna be really nice. So I wanted to take you outside and show you how it looks like with this front gable. I mean, this is beautiful. Check out this door. We got that metal flashing down there. He actually added this tape around the side, which is called like a FortiFlash. So now it's all nice and damp proof, waterproof, and everything, you know. So if there's any inner moisture or anything like that coming in, it's gonna roll right off. The hardy, which is going on top of that, because this exterior is all hardy, and it's gonna be beautiful. But did a really great job with this door. And now he's doing the back one, so let me jump in there real quick and get that whole process filmed as well. Alright, y'all, so I wanted to show you what was going on here. So these are what you call shims, and you actually put these behind every single hinge so that if someone's ever like using any screws or anything and they end up pulling that door with a screw, the shims will keep it in the exact place that it's supposed to be set at. Because right here we got the levels, we got Mr. Ivan over there doing that right now. So the door is set, but you want to make sure that it's really truly set with something holding it in place, because if it's just floating around, as you can see this space right here, then it could definitely be pulled in any direction if there's like a screw that comes in. So there's some shims that are set right there. You can kind of see, and he's setting those in every single hinge area. And right here, you can see on the front door, they have those in place behind every hinge. So there's shims there, there's shims there, there's shims right there. Let's see the other side. Shims, shims, shim, and shim. So very important piece of the puzzle to get these doors set in place, and they're looking darn good. So Mr. Ivan is doing the finishing touches on these doors, well, on the back door at least. He's done with the front one completely. The back door is about done. He's got about 10 or 15 minutes left. Once he gets this all cleaned up, I'll shoot it from the outside, from the inside, and I'll show you what kind of awesome view I'm gonna have from my back porch, which is gonna be amazing off that back deck and everything like that. So again, back door is completely done in about 10 or 15 minutes. Front door has been done. So I am excited. I am so happy with the progress of this, getting these doors in, having to go out to Atlanta, buy them very like last second, last minute, because there was a 12-week build time, a lead time for, you know, new custom doors. So I'm happy that these are working. I'm so happy with this progress. So let's get back to work. He's going to finish this up, and then I'm going to show you the finished product. Alrighty, y'all, so we have the front door and the back door done. So exterior doors are done here, waiting on that garage door to get here as well. So that's going to be the last, I guess, exterior door that's really going in. But right now, still waiting on those windows. They're coming soon, I believe. So as these videos are happening, I've been told that the windows are on the way. So hopefully that stays true. But regardless, I'm happy that I was able to go get these doors very sporadically and get them installed. Mr. Ivan did an amazing job, and I'm happy with how they turned out. And I hope y'all did too, because they look absolutely beautiful in real life, in person. But regardless, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you like and subscribe and follow me on all social platforms, especially TikTok, because it's so easy to go on there, make a video, edit, and post it right away. If you haven't yet, make sure you go to NikosPropertyShow.com, grab you some merch, maybe a hat, a crew neck, a t-shirt or something. Support the movement and I will be more than grateful. But however, make sure you smile more, worry less, and stay blessed. I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.